Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ExpressVPN from Windows 11, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall ExpressVPN from Windows 11, begin by clicking on the Start menu. Type Settings in the search bar and hit Enter. In the Settings window, select Apps from the sidebar. Under the Apps and Features section, scroll down to find ExpressVPN in the list of installed applications. Click on ExpressVPN to reveal more options. You will see the Uninstall button appear, click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the app. Click Uninstall again to confirm your choice. The uninstallation process will begin, and it may take a few moments to complete. Once it's done, you might see a notification indicating that the app has been removed. If you also want to remove any remaining files, open File Explorer. Navigate to the C:\program files directory. Look for the ExpressVPN folder and delete it if it still exists. You can also check the C:\program data folder for any leftover files. Delete any ExpressVPN folders from this location as well. Finally, restart your computer to ensure that all changes take effect. You have successfully uninstalled ExpressVPN from your Windows 11 device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.